Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mannings Hill Primary up against George Headley Primary, both from St. Andrew, competing for the third place in the competition. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. And so with the coin toss earlier, Mannings Hill 1 decided to go first. So let's begin section 1, where questions are asked alternatively of both teams. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer, and they will have 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge. Mannings Hill, you're first. Noah sent 2 birds from the ark. What were they?
Raven and dove. Raven and dove.
Correct. George Headley, on which mountain did Noah's ark rest after the great flood?
Mount Ararat. Mount Ararat.
That's correct. Science, Mannings Hill. What type of rocks are crystalline solids which form directly from the cooling of magma and forms part of the Earth's crust?
Igneous rocks.
That's correct. George Headley, what type of rock is often the result of the accumulation of small pieces broken off from pre-existing rocks?
Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks.
That's correct. International affairs for Mannings Hill. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed here.
Chile.
Correct. George Headley, your turn to look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Argentina. Argentina. Argentina.
Correct. English language, Mannings Hill. How many syllables does the word classification have?
5.
Correct. George Headley, how many syllables does the word agriculture have?
Agriculture. 4.
Correct. Television, it's a visual, Mannings Hill. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Omar Epps.
Incorrect. It's Jaimon Hansu. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Bishop Gibson.
Incorrect. It's Keith David. We move on to general knowledge. Mannings Hill, who was the U.S. president in 1976?
Abraham Lincoln.
Incorrect. It's Gerald Ford. And George Headley, who was the U.S. president in 1984?
JF Kennedy.
Incorrect. It was Ronald Reagan. Social studies. Mannings Hill, in which Jamaican parish is the licensed beach?
St. Thomas.
Correct. George Headley, in which Jamaican parish is St. Margaret's Bay?
Portland.
That's correct. Music. Mannings Hill, which international gospel artist released the song For Your Glory?
CC Lioness.
Incorrect. Tasha Cobbs Leonard. George Headley, which international gospel artist released the song Indescribable? Indescribable.
Kamala Person.
Incorrect. It's Kira Sheard. Mathematics. Mannings Hill. What is the sum of 194 and 29.39?
223.39.
Correct. George Headley, what is the sum of 175 and 32.48?
207.48.
Correct. We move on to sports. It's a visual, Mannings Hill. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shinram Hetmeyer.
Incorrect. It's Jermaine Blackwood, West Indies cricketer. George Headley. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ashley Nurse.
Incorrect. It's Suleiman Ben, Barbados and former West Indies cricketer. Jamaican affairs, Mannings Hill. What is the correct name of the Jamaican actor, also known as Titus?
Glenn Campbell. Glenn Campbell.
Correct. George Headley. What is the name of the Jamaican actor known as Johnny?
Johnny Depp.
Incorrect. It's Christopher Daly. And that is the bell signaling the end of section 1, with the score showing Mannings Hill on 7 and George Headley on 6. But before we go for the break, listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. Develop and share friendships with persons who can encourage you and who will also appreciate and respect your encouragement. When we come back, it will be time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.